video. I just got my HelloFresh, as you guys can just see. Woo, I'm so out of breath. Breathe, breathe, girl, breathe. First of all, I do want to mention that my house is full of HelloFresh boxes. Why? Because my sister just ordered one the other day, so it's on the floor as well. Let me show you guys. It's like HelloFresh heaven. Look at both of those boxes sitting there. Lovely as hell. Alright, so I don't know if you guys see my first video that I did with HelloFresh when I got all this lovely stuff, but I did end up making my meals and I absolutely had a great experience. Absolutely loved it. And I'm gonna add this little insert right here. Make sure you go ahead and use my coupon code Simone80 for $80 off, and make sure you go ahead and visit the HelloFresh website and see what meals they have available for you. Okay, let's continue. And I was like, you know what? I have to work with you guys again because everything tasted so well that my sister ended up ordering it, and she got, let's see what she got. She ended up getting 2 different types of meals. One of them were the beef tenderloin and balsamic steak sauce, and she was like, yo, I absolutely love it. She was like, I honestly would do this every weekend. It is an advantage, and you end up cooking your meals so damn good, okay? Everything tastes good. So I'm so happy that they asked to work with me again because I'm like, hell yeah. So let's see what's in this box because I really want to start cooking. Here, I have some keys right here. Ghetto gal. Now, I would definitely, like, honestly, at first I didn't really understand HelloFresh. Like, I knew what it was, I explained it, but I didn't really get it until I pretty much explained it to everybody. Like, I sold everybody in my family on a HelloFresh. I'm like, Mom, you have to get it. Of course she was like, no. But I was like, Grandmother, you have to get it. I call her Mama. I was like, Mama, you have to get this. I was like, Aunt Antonia, you have to get this. Makita, my sister, you have to get this. Like, I just think it's so smart, and it's so, the confidence you have while making your HelloFresh meal is unreal. Like, let me tell you, I can't cook. Now, I told you in the first video, when I cook, it's always an experiment. Like, I never know if it's gonna come out tasting good or if it's just gonna come out tasting like rocks or something that just don't taste appetizing. But it came out good. When I had my friends try it, they were like, you made this? I'm like, don't play with me. I did. I love how it says on top, it says, hey, I'm part box and I'm part fridge because they have so many ice packs in here that keep it nice and frozen. So if you're worried about it spoiling when it delivers to you, it's definitely not, so don't worry about that. There's so much installation going on in here. So you have these like thick pieces of, I guess, insulation that's in there. Oh, they sent me 3 meals again. They sent me the Mediterranean baked veggies. Now this time I did tell her that the people from HelloFresh, I did say you can go ahead and create, add fish or shrimp to my meals because I ended up doing it anyways on some of my meals afterwards. And so let's see if they did. Now, usually with HelloFresh, you can choose your meals. Like, you can say like, oh, I want A, B, C, and D. Now, you usually have to pay first and then go ahead and choose your meals. Now, for me, I didn't choose any of my meals this time or last time. I'm not a person that's open with my food. Like, I don't like trying new things, okay? I like what I like, and I'm gonna stick with that. Now, so I thought it would be kind of fun for them to choose my meals, and I'm like, well, damn, I kind of have to eat it because I have to show you guys if I like it or not. So, last time, I had 3 meals that I would never try, even in a restaurant, okay? And because they were here, and I tried them, it really opened my eyes to be like, yo, that stuff was really good. I saved all 3 cards and I plan on making those things again. Like the stuffed peppers that I made, and then I had like garbanzo beans, and I don't even like beans, especially those beans. I don't even like that, and I literally I'm really craving it afterwards. When you are purchasing, you do have the opportunity to choose your own meals. So they have the butternut squash agnolotti. Then, woo! She did give me shrimp. Yay, thank you. But she gave me the shrimp peperonata pasta. Ooh, so I do have my shrimp. Okay, good. I am a vegetarian. I didn't mention that to you guys. So for me, I don't obviously eat meat or whatever. I am picky about certain fishes. I'm very picky. I only eat salmon as a fish, and that is all. Like, nothing else. So, shrimp is perfect. I cannot wait to cook it. What I am going to do though in the meantime is I am going to put all 3 of these in the fridge until I'm ready to cook it. But, oh look, wait, wait, hold on. I'm so crazy. Okay, so this is the ice pack. It's still very frozen. It just came to today. So it's frozen. But,
You're recording?
yeah. Oh, this is the shrimp. So the shrimp is in between the 2 ice packs so that it stays frozen. Wow. So these are the shrimps right here. And then this is the butternut squash agnolotti. Not sure what that is, but this is what it is. Maybe agnolotti is a different name for ravioli. Alright, my friends. Alright, so today is a whole new day. Yesterday I was going to make one of these meals, but I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and start these meals on a whole new fresh day. So today I'm really in the mood for the shrimp pepperonata pasta. It's in a carby mood, hence the fact that I just lost 5 pounds. I've been watching my carbs, but it's okay. The total prep time for this entire meal is supposed to be 5 minutes. Total actual amount of time to make the meal is 25 minutes, and then in total there's 750 calories. So I'm probably gonna eat half tonight and then half tomorrow. Let's go ahead and go straight into the prep time. So step 1 says to prep. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my cutting board and get started. Okay, this is all the goodies. Okay, so we should have gotten, so we have the shrimps, which I already had thawed out. This is the penne rigate. We have the green pepper, and then we have the chili flakes. So all the ingredients, we have the onion now, and then we have the oregano. Oh, this is like the tomato sauce, I guess. I usually hate tomato sauce, but we're gonna go ahead and try this. And then we have the garlic cloves. Wait, this garlic seafood sauce. I freaking love HelloFresh because literally it's step by step for you. Like, you don't have to really look no further besides just on this cue card because everything is on there for you. So step 1 actually says to bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Let me go ahead and get a large pot. Okay, so I'm gonna actually use a pot this size. Salt. Make sure your water is well salted. So next we're gonna go ahead and wash and dry all produce. Okay, so wash and dry all your produce. Pour and de-seed thinly sliced green pepper. Halve, peel, and thinly sliced shallot minced garlic. What's a shallot? Minced shallot. Oh, this is that an onion? So now that we have this finished, what I'm gonna do is just place this over here. Okay, so I always hear a lot of people say that they don't really clean their shrimp. Oh look, it's vacuumed in case you guys are wondering. So I actually have to pull, because whenever I make food or whatever, especially shrimps, because I frequently eat lots of shrimp. And when I make shrimp, and a lot of people are usually like, they don't really, I guess, devein it, they don't clean it, and they don't really take the poop out. Now, I don't really like to eat my food like that, and don't get me wrong, the Jamaican in me just will not let me eat shrimp poop. Like, I was taught to clean it out before you go on to the next step. So what I'm gonna actually do right now is this is gonna cut into prep time, but that's okay. I mean, I just need to feel like, oh wait, yeah, no, these are not deveined, so I'm just gonna spend my time deveining these just so I can get some of the nastiness out of it. But it does tell you to rinse your shrimps. So as I'm rinsing it, I'm gonna be unpooping it. Ew. So for me, I have to unpoopify it, or I just will not be able to eat comfortably. So that's just something that I feel like is necessary. So look at my shrimp friend. I love shrimps. If you don't love shrimps, what's going on? I have family and friends who are entirely allergic, and I just feel so bad for the poor little souls. I'm also curious to know, how do you guys clean your shrimp? Some people just clean their shrimps with straight up water. Again, I was taught to clean it with vinegar and sometimes even lemon water, lemon, whatever. That's how I was really told to clean it, just to make sure it's fully clean. I mean, these are the cockroaches of the sea. But I was told that's how I should clean it, just to make sure everything is fully out. Now that my water is boiling, what I am going to do is just open this pasta bag and pour all the pasta into the pot. And then with a spoon, I'm going to go ahead and stir it. Cook pasta for 9 to 11 minutes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my vinegar, pour a little bit. Don't keep it on here for too long or it's going to cook the shrimps. And then I'm going to take this. Okay, my shrimps are clean. So next we're going to rinse shrimp, pat dry with paper towels, and place in a medium bowl. Toss with large drizzle of olive oil. So they don't give you olive oil, you have to get your own, just in case you guys are wondering. Ooh, that's a big drizzle. And then you want to take half of the oregano. So go ahead and open this. Okay, that was way more than half. Salt and pepper. Again, you gotta use your own salt and pepper. Like this, in case you guys were wondering. Now, I love pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill this a little bit. Ooh, that was a lot. Jesus Christ. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna mix this with my hand. Okay. Alright, turn the fire on medium. Okay, I have to add oil in this pot because I don't know how. This is not a step, but I'm just gonna do it. Oh my god, this is so much oil, I'm gonna die. God forbid. Now, don't forget about your pasta, okay? Make sure you are still stirring it. I'm gonna take my shrimps, pour it in here. I'm gonna pour the shrimps in here. I'm gonna make that real noise. Don't worry, I'm gonna bring y'all over here closer because you guys are real far. Cook veggies. Jesus Christ, how much dishes to wash? Okay, so as of right now, this is what we got. And as you can see, the pasta is taking its time boiling. It's actually almost done. I have the heat on high. We getting somewhere. That ain't a problem. Be sure to keep stirring your pasta. Let's go ahead and check these babies over here. The next step calls for us to go ahead and do the veggies. A large drizzle of olive oil. What is a drizzle? I swear to you, my drizzle is bigger than what it's supposed to be. Add the green peppers and the shallots. Add the green peppers, and then we're gonna add the shallots. Then we're gonna add a pinch of salt. You know it's cooking when it starts turning pink. Add the rest of the oregano. Get your chili flakes, a little bit in. Take your diced tomatoes. Add this in it. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, your own butter. Okay, so if you know me, you know I love my food to be hella spicy, okay? So I ran out of the chili flakes, so I decided to go ahead and use my own crushed peppers, and trust me, I am going to use a lot because my food needs to be 15 times spicy, okay? If you like spice, I like spice, okay? So let's go ahead and add some more. Yums. And we have come to a finish. We have come to a finish. Okay, so let me go ahead and try this. It smells. It smells really good. Yum!
I would be like, lie, she's lying. What kind of response was that?
Probably made it too hot. No, it's really good though.
Hot as in spicy?
Mm-hmm. It's really good. No, it's really good.
Well, how spicy did you make it? Because your nose is running.
Yeah, it's spicy.
Oh, God, it's gonna be a nut job.
But it's really good though. You guys, this was so good. I'm on my 3rd bowl right now. I know I said I wasn't gonna eat all of it tonight, but I'm really hungry. And this is really good. I might have overdone it on the spice, but it tastes good to me. My lips are a little bit swollen, but that's okay. If you guys are interested in using HelloFresh, don't forget I do have a discount code for you guys. It's Simone80. And you do get $80 off of your first order, which is actually a really good deal. You can get a good, nice try and test it out and see if you like it. Also, sorry, this is good. If you're not familiar with HelloFresh, you do have to go ahead and the way it gets started is you do go onto the website, you pick the plan that you're most interested in. They have the family plan, the classic plan, and then they do have a healthy plan, okay? I think it's about like 3 different plans. I'll show you guys, okay? And you choose it whether you want it for 2 people or 4 or more, and then you go straight into the payment process. After you go into the payment process and you pay, that's when you get to choose the meals that you are most interested in. So I think a lot of people always confuse that, and I actually learned that myself as well. So after you pay, that's when you choose your meals, and then, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you want me to do more cooking videos, let a girl know down below. Alright? Make sure you go ahead and look in my description box for any links and for the coupon code if we did miss it. Again, it's SimoneCherisse80. And thank you guys for tuning into my HelloFresh video. I love their things, love their foods, love their plans, love their meals. So, I'll see you guys in my next video. Actually, I'm lying. I'm going to make 2 more meals. Should I make 2 more meals? I'll see you guys in my next video.